Hi guys, what are we gonna do today? We are gonna make these cute little envelopes with the leaf fold on them. One side you can slide something into, the other side is open. Now wouldn't that be cute for a napkin holder? Let's get started. Okay, so the first thing you're gonna need is a sheet of paper. This is a piece of thinner handmade paper. The dimensions on this are a little bit different. So if you are using an 11-inch sheet of paper long, it's going to be 7 3/4 inch wide. Whatever the length of your paper is, you multiply that by 0.7021, and then that will give you your dimension here. So that's what you need to start with. So I am going to take my top left corner and bring it down so these two edges are flush, and you are going to fold it. Now, I'm going to bring this edge up to there and fold it down. Fold it back out. This bottom left corner, I am bringing up right to this fold, right here where I folded the edge of this down. I'm gonna turn my paper so this point's facing towards me, and we are going to fold right here. And you want this point to touch the edge of this paper. And that's lined up there, and fold that down. I'm gonna turn this back around. And now what I'm gonna do is take this top edge, and this edge is going to be flush with that edge. Now what you want to be sure of is this edge is straight and lined up all the way down. And this is what you've got so far. Now we are going to open this up, and this corner right here is what we're going to be working with. I'm going to turn it over, and here's this big corner. I'm going to bring this up so we have a triangle down here. After you've done this a few times, you'll have it down. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna fan fold. And it might be off a little, but I think this is pretty good. I'm gonna take where this line is, and I'm going to crease it all the way up. Open that back up. Remember how you see this line here. So what we're gonna do is fold this flap down where this line is, bring it back. So part of this flap is underneath and part of this is up on top now. You're going to push this straight edge down, and it's gonna feel a little awkward while you're pushing this, so that this line will be flush against here. When you're folding this down, your fan fold is getting folded in half right here. So when you press this line down, this is in half. I'm going to bring the bottom end up, and I am going to bring this down. And then when you bring this down, you're just going to push this down, squeeze it together. I'm just going to use some heavy-duty glue stick on this edge. Or you could use double stick tape or whatever you would like. And there you go. So you might have to try it a few times to get the gist, but when you do, you'll just be whipping them out like all of my other paper folding projects. Now, if you've noticed, this is white and white, and you're thinking, well, how is this two different colors? Well, I guess I really do want to explain that to you, kind of like this one. Whatever is on the back side of your paper is what color the leaf will be. But I hope you guys try this out and have fun.